Hey everybody, it's Pete, the Monkey Thrifter yet again, and I thought I'd give you a quick update about what's happened. Last week, if you didn't know, I tested positive for COVID. I stopped in a few days, Saturday, did a test and it was all clear, so I've been okay. I thought I'd just give you a quick update. A few things that's happened. Going back to, I think it was February, I sold this Huddle, the Tesco's Huddle, for £19.95 plus a bit of postage. Went by Royal Mail and the customer never got it. So I put in a claim with Royal Mail, showed them how much it went for, what it was in postage and everything else. And they basically sent me this letter and some kindly 8 first class stamps equating to £7.60. They're saying that for my business, that they want to see the invoice of how much the item cost. Well, of course, you know, I can't remember what about it. I think you're a car boot, and we don't have them. So I've had a claims with Hermes. In fact, I've got one at the moment going on, and they pay the full amount back. So, you know, Royal Mail, thanks very much. A couple of little things I got yesterday. I got 2 of these. That's one. 2 lovely magazine racks there. Got them. In fact, I think we had one of these at home when I was a kid. Yeah, absolutely nice, solid things. There's 2 of them, and something I don't normally pick up, but I just thought I'd give it a try. A wine rack. And watching Paul and Marie from Emsden, this has got a little bit of wicker. I think it's wicker. Anyway, yeah, but it's nice. It's got like vine leaves across there. It needs a bit of clean up. So all them 3 items, just 2 magazine racks, and that was £6. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna bundle the 2 magazine racks together and do them for, I'm gonna try a £25–30 mark, and the wine rack, I think I can get £30 for that. Of course, this is plus postage. Now, just one other thing before I go is, back in June, I'm going to have a couple of days up in Blackpool. I was going to go abroad, but with the things at the airport and things like that, I thought I'll have a couple of days here, a couple of days there. So I'm having a couple of days in Blackpool, going up on the 24th, come back on the 26th. I thought on the 25th, let's see if we can get a few people together. Hey, let's have a resellers meeting up in Blackpool. I've put it out to the community so far. If you haven't seen it, I've done a Facebook link, set up resellers meeting Blackpool 2022. I'll stick the link in down below. If you want to come along. Meeting at the Wetherspoons, the what's it called? The Velvet Coaster, the one near the Pleasure Beach. Meeting there about 2 o'clock. Few drinks, get together, have a bit of laugh, and yeah, it should be a good do. So if you want to come along, just click on the Facebook Blackpool 2022 resellers meetup, and yeah, come along. It should be good. Okay, so from me, Pete, the Monkey Thrifter, I bid you bye bye until next time. See ya.